Hi everyone, today I'm bringing you to Chanel again. I'm gonna return the Chanel Coco handle in the dark beige because the handle was bent backwards, and I did post my video and also IG picture talking about this. So finally today I bring it back and see what my essay gonna say. Okay, let's go. While I'm waiting for my essay, I also want to check if they have any Coco handle available. I want to check the handle whether it's a straight or it's a backward. So let's see. Here is the Coco handle in the large size. Let's check it out. This handle looks fine to me. Here is another one, also size large. This one is 21A collection in the light pink. Looks the handle. It doesn't look bent backwards. It looks normal, right? It looks straight. I use the slow motion, you can see. My essay still have the small size in the pink color, and this one handle also look fine with me. What do you think? This is another large size. I asked my essay to pull out. I just wanted to check the handle. So let's check it out. Looks straight. For your reference, I put some pictures that I took in the boutique. I think everyone is different. Some people just don't feel comfortable with the bent backwards handle, but the other really doesn't bother them. I did return mine, and my essay doesn't say anything. I will leave my previous video in my description box. You can check it out. After Chanel, I went to YSL. I want to try Puffer toy bag. I feel this bag is so cute. The size is so perfect. What do you think? Well, the one I'm wearing is silver hardware. Now I'm trying the small size. I think small size is a little bit too big on me. I'm so glad I come to try it. Otherwise, I was keep thinking for the small size. Now I'm trying the black with the gold hardware. I feel the gold hardware is much better than the silver. This toy bag, the strap you can remove. You can wear as a clutch. Very, very versatile piece. Next up is Gucci. I went to the store. I really don't see anything that interested me, so I left quickly. And I also went to Louis Vuitton. Nothing really caught my eyes. I also left quickly. Last time I forgot to try the Lady Dior in the mini size, so today finally I remember. So I came to the store, I found my SA, then I also tried the mini Lady Dior. Lady Dior in the mini size. It is very cute, but I don't think it fit my lifestyle. I really love their vanity case. So the first one I try is the black with the gold hardware. It's so pretty. Look at this color, tan color. Oh my goodness, so beautiful. Currently, this price is $3,000. I feel the price tag is really high for this vanity case. Now I'm going to Cartier. I have an appointment, so I'm already late. I don't know if I have a problem to get in, so let's see. Unfortunately, they still don't have my size 15, small size with diamond in the yellow gold. So the one I'm trying is rose gold size 15. It's a plain one. I hope my SA can get it for me before Cartier price increase on June 30th. The last clip that I added on to this video, it was last time I visited Van Cleef. I never show you guys, so in today's video I put them together. Hope you guys enjoyed this shopping vlog. I will see you very soon. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.